It's about the 80th try to see if we catch this, and if it doesn't work, guess what? We're just going to fall back to a regular position of show it on the screen. Don't have to see me. What can I tell you? We're going to Kaltura Media, and in Kaltura Media, it will then say Add Media. We'll say Add. Then we'll go to Add New with Kaltura Express Capture. Little red dot shows up. Got your picture. Looking at the red dot. It's going to go 3, 2, 1. We're going to say go. At this particular point, we're recording, and you could be answering your case study. You could be doing your introduction. You could be doing anything you like. Comment on your fellow students' announcements and the like, but you're going to be recording through Kaltura. At this point, we'll say, thank you very much, that's good. We're going to use this. It's going to compile. We're going to give it a name. In this case, we're going to call it test #11. Why not? And we're going to scooch down. We're going to save. And it's going to say upload completed, which means it's going over to the media file. And at this point, we can go to the media file. And there it is. But what we really want to do is go to Kaltura Media. There's number 11. We want to open that. And we want to test 11. Okay, now we're going to go over to discussion board. Go to our discussion board. Create thread. We're going to call this test 11. Go to mashup. Kaltura Media. There's number 11. Select. And scroll down. Say submit. And you've got it. So at this particular time, we can shut off